Hallelujah. People of God, under the sound of my voice, listen, it is written in the book of Psalm 150 verse 6, let everything that has breath give God praise. If you're a living soul, give the Lord a shout of praise. Hey, come on. He has done it before, he will do it again. Taking away my sorrow, taking away my pain, wipe away my tears. Oh man, yeah, he has done it before, he will do it again. He has taken away my sorrow, taken away my pain, he wiped away my tears. Oh man, he has done it before.
He has done it before.
Covenant keeping God,
He will do it again. Taking away my sorrow, taking away my pain,
yes sir.
wipe away my tears. Oh man,
I saw a man that
He
say,
has done it before.
life giver,
He will do it again.
way
Taking away my sorrow,
yes,
taking away my pain,
yeah.
wipe away my tears.
Come on.
Oh man,
This God, you're too good.
oh,
You love me too much. I saw, Papa God, you're too good.
oh, you're too kind, oh, you're too much, oh.
Hey, this God, you're too good. You love me too much. Hey, Papa, you're too good.
Oh, you're too kind, oh, you're too much, oh.
This is my testimony. Come and see what the Lord has done for me. He has taken away my sorrows and now I'm free. I got me buru, hallelujah, buru. Hey, I got my para, hallelujah, para. Because of Jesus, every day na shakara they do. Double, double, heavenly blessings, now him I they receive. Hey. God, your grace and mercy always they follow me. Yeah.
He has given me
He has given me victory.
God has given me victory.
He has turned my life around.
He has given me victory.
He has given us victory.
God has given me victory.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
He's a heavenly language. Come on. Hallelujah. Hey, listen up. Our God